introduction, it still blows my mind how many people don't realize the insane money-making potential of the internet. And here's the truth. You don't need to be a tech genius or have millions of followers. If you can use a computer, you can start earning online today. Even better, you can build passive income, making money while you sleep. And the best part, it doesn't have to be complicated. Some online business models are so simple, you could literally start in just a few hours by following a proven system. Copy, paste, and you're on your way. And it's not just about the money. Running an online business gives you the freedom to do what you love and share your passion with the world. Imagine getting messages from strangers telling you your content changed their life. That feeling? Absolutely priceless. But it doesn't stop there. This can be a stepping stone to bigger things, TV appearances, publishing deals, launching your dream products. Picture seeing something you created on store shelves or getting recognized for the work you love. Even if you already have a job or run a business, learning how to leverage the internet can completely transform your income and your influence. And once you start, the opportunities are endless. And here's where it gets even more exciting. You can use just a basic understanding of internet marketing to take an existing business or organization and grow it to completely new heights. If the web can do that for one person, imagine what it can do for your business. Picture driving thousands of new visitors to your website, attracting new customers to your products, and all of it costing very little time, effort, or money. The possibilities are endless. There truly is no limit to what you can accomplish online, and it's something everyone should be exploring. Whether you want a blog that people actually read and enjoy, a side hustle that brings in extra cash, a way to boost your current organization, or even the start of your very own internet empire, the tools are already at your fingertips. All of this sounds amazing, but maybe you're thinking, I don't have the time or the knowledge. Maybe you've heard pitches like this before. Maybe friends have told you how their lives changed once they started earning online. Maybe you've read blogs from internet marketing gurus preaching the benefits of making money on the web. Or maybe you're just smart enough to see the opportunities sitting right in front of you. So why haven't you taken action yet? For a lot of people, it comes down to two things: time and knowledge. You might not know enough about how the web really works, so the opportunities aren't obvious. You might not yet know how to set up a website, create content people actually want to read, build a product to sell, or promote it so that people around the world can discover it, all without it feeling impossible or overwhelming. And maybe you're not familiar with all the different types of businesses you can start online. Did you know, for example, you could make money selling books you didn't even create? Then there's the time issue. You'd love to learn this stuff, but life is busy. How can you possibly run another business on top of your full-time job, family obligations, or active social life? That's exactly why this training exists. Here, you'll discover everything you need to start a massively successful online business in your spare time. You don't need to know anything about SEO, building websites, or even business yet. You'll learn how the web works, how people make money, and how you can get in on the action. We'll focus on the fastest, simplest ways to start making money online. You'll discover business models you can set up in just hours, or even less. And yes, you can create businesses that basically run themselves. Imagine making thousands of dollars a month from a business that takes only a few hours to set up. There's an element of luck, sure, but even the worst case scenario, a few $100s a month indefinitely from just a few hours of work, it sounds crazy, right? But it's not impossible. And this training will show you exactly how. In the first few videos, you'll explore multiple simple business ideas that you can implement quickly and effectively. We'll also cover productivity tips to help you leverage the power of the web to accomplish massive results in minimal time. By the end, you'll see how these strategies can grow your own business, even if you're completely new to all this. This training can change the way you approach business and the way you live your life. So who is this training for? This is for anyone who wants to learn internet marketing and make money online without investing countless hours into running a business or managing a blog. If earning a few $100s a month from just a few hours of work sounds appealing, this is for you. But it's especially geared toward business professionals. If you run a business or feel stretched to the breaking point by your current job, you'll find this training introduces familiar concepts in a whole new way. You'll learn how to leverage internet marketing to grow your existing business or even escape the rat race entirely. This is internet marketing for business people, practical, efficient, and designed to get results.